Hi everybody, this is Dustin Burrow with CIS 241 Advanced Administration class, the MSCA Guide to Configuring Advanced Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 Services. Today we're going to be doing an activity on page 191, and we're going to be doing activity 5.8, which is testing access to a folder. The equipment you will need is 412 Server 1 and 412 Win 8. You're ready to test access to the marketing folder. First, you need to join the 412 Win 8 computer to the domain. Then you log on to the domain from the 412 Win 8 computer with the accounts you created in Activity 5.6 and try to access files in the marketing folder. First, we will begin start 412 Server 1 if necessary. Mine are both running. They're right here. Let's just check out on them real quick. Running good. This guy's running and it's on its desktop. First, we're going to go into 412.1.8 and we're going to log on as a Win8 user with the password of password 01. And before we go any further, we're going to change the DNS server on the Ethernet interface to 412 server's IP address 10.12.1, 10.12.1.1. That will allow us to go through our domain service and be able to reach we'll be able to rename the domain from just 41win8 user to 41win8 user with 412dom1.local added to it, so it'll be on the same domain pretty much. Okay, so I've already logged in and I've already got to my desktop. I'm going to go into my network connections and make sure my IP address is set up correctly. And make sure you do this because this is my second test on my video because I missed that step. So go to Properties on Ethernet and go to your Internet Protocol version 4. I'm already set up 10.12.1.1.1. That's all you guys got to do. Click OK. Now that. It looks like my system is running really slow. I already got a warning about it. Okay, go to your system, right click your start button down here, and next to the computer's name, go to change settings over here. And we're going to want to go to the change and click the domain icon. As you can see, it says 412win8 right now. We're going to have it say 412win8 dot 412 oops 412 dom1 dot local. And you should get administration privileges box pop up. And when this pops up, just type in password 01. Press OK. As soon as it gets there, we'll click OK on the computer name domain, change message box. It's definitely taking its time. Following error occurred attempting to join the domain 412dom1.local. The username or password is incorrect. Well, let's try that again. It probably, hold on a sec. Let's see here. Probably got a little picky. Okay, capital P. Oh, my caps lock is on. Capital P. No, it is not on. P. There we go. Password 01. Okay, SSWORD 01. And I just, yeah, my problem. You might be laughing at that. Administrator. Have to have a username and password. Silly me. Administrator. Password 01. Seems like it's going to accept it a lot faster this time. I apologize for the slow speed right now. Welcome to 412dom1.local.domain. That's what we exactly want to see. Click OK for here. Before restarting, save open any open files and close all programs. Okay. And then OK on everything, then click close. It should restart automatically. Yes, do click the restart now because we want it to be acknowledged that we're switching domains. Anytime you see this on my computer, just ignore it. Okay. And when the computer restarts, we're going to click the back arrow and go to a different user and log on as accounting1 with the password01, which I clearly remember making those users right before here on 5.6. Okay. We're going to go into the 4.1 win 8. We're going to hit back arrow and we're going to use a different user. And this time we're going to do accounting1. Password 01. 412dom1 accounting1 is what we're in now. Preparing your profile might take just a little while. When you're logged on, go to the desktop and open up a command prompt window. And we're going to type who am I space / claims. Let's make sure this guy's going alright. In case you guys weren't sure, you can get new apps from the store. Alright, let's start. Yes, please, whenever you're ready. Okay. So, now that we're in accounting1, go to your desktop, open up a command prompt window, right click on the start button, and type, oh yes, this again. Okay, command prompt window, who am I claims. User claims information. User has no claims. This command displays any claims the user presents to Cabarrus for authorization. If the Cabarrus client group policy you configured in Activity 5.4 wasn't set, you wouldn't see any claims information. You should see an indication that the department attribute is accounting. Because you didn't set the job title attribute for accounting1, no claim is configured for this attribute. Okay, well that's a relief. I thought I did something wrong there for a second. Okay, right click the start button down here and go to run. And we're going to type in / 412 server, oops, 412 server 1. And then click OK. Double click the marketing share when you get there. Go to marketing right here, double click it. You can see a message indicating that you don't have permission to access to the share, which is correct because your department attribute isn't marketing. So click close. Log off and log back on as marketing 1. So I always like to close windows before I log off. So let's close all these windows real quick. Pretty much sign out. And then we're going to sign back in as marketing 1. And pretty much we're probably going to show you that this one does have some things to check out, some claims or possibly. See here. Other user. Is there a capital M on marketing? I can't remember if I put one there. I think I did. No, there isn't. Marketing 1. Password 01. Open the command prompt window for when you get into marketing 1. And it's going to do the same thing. We're setting things up for you. Woohoo, it's so awesome. Set stuff up for us. You can get new apps from the store. Yay. That's exciting. And then it turns purple. And orange. What more would you want? Let's start. Why not? Go to desktop. Right click the start button. Hit the command prompt window. Administrator. Password 01. Who am I? Claims. User claims information. User has no claims on this one. You see the low confidential file. You don't see the high confidential file because only marketing executives can access files with high confidentiality. Open the low confidential file, type some characters in it, and then try to save it. A save as dialog box opens because you don't have any permission. You don't have permission to write to the file. You can't. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm reading the step before. You should see the marketing one has department equals marketing and job title equals manager claims. I don't see that, so I must not have set it up correctly. But hold on. I'm going to see if my 4.1 server over here is running correctly. Let's log into here real quick. And if not, I know how to fix that real quick because I just went and did it on 5.6. Let's see if this had anything to do with it. And we'll run this command again. Who am I claims in marketing. Okay, hold on just a sec. Okay. What we're going to do is make it equal that so it'll show up correctly. What we do for that, let's go to our tools over here. Activity, directory, users, and computers. So I can check out my OUs that I created. Let's go to the marketing one and edit it. Okay, hold on. Users. Test DAC. There we go. Okay. I need to edit one of these. So we get the properties to pop up. There we go. Marketing last name 1, user log name marketing 1, password 00. Okay. Let's see here, security. Trying to figure out how to edit this correctly. Let's see here. Member of. Yes, here we go. I think this is at marketing 1. Check names. Okay, name not found. Okay. Okay, so what I'm trying to attempt here is get back to a way of editing so it would equal uh, department equals marketing and job title equals manager claims. I swear I did that on that activity and it's not showing up the way I want it to. So hold on just a sec. Maybe it's right here. Open File Explorer. That's what I need to do. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong activity. This is going to be a little extended video, a little further than I thought, longer than I thought. So we're going to open up the File Explorer and click Security tab. Open Properties dialog box from Marketing folder. Okay. Now go back. Properties. There we go. Okay, I think this is looking a little more familiar now. And click the Security tab. That's why I was trying to click Security tab on the last one. Okay. Click the Effective Access tab. Oh, Advanced. Okay. Click Advanced. Effective Access tab. Trying to check to make sure I did this right. Click Select a User. And click County 1. Click Check Names. So type Marketing 1. Check names. Good to go. And then click OK. In the include a user claim. Okay. And then for marketing, I need it to equal department equals marketing. Okay. And then include another. Okay. And then include another user claim, which is job title equals marketing again, equals manager. Okay, so view to effective access. It's going to have read permissions, all that. Let's make sure we're good to go. I want to apply them. Okay. Let's see if that did the trick. And that should actually do the trick. So we're going to go back over to 412 Win8. And we're going to type this command again. No, more configurations, huh? That's close. I know I'm very close, so hold on just a sec. Okay. Include a user claim. Marketing. Okay. I apologize how long this is taking. I was trying to configure it and show you how I was going to figure this out. For some reason, when I go to 41218 and I type in the command, it's not picking up my claims. I do remember doing all the configurations and the activities before to make this do it properly. Possibly the only thing is let's see here. Who am I claims? We are in marketing. Okay, well, let's move on. Okay, so after we confirm the job title equals manager claims, right click the start button down here again and click run. We're going to type // 412 server 1 and click OK. Double click the marketing share. You see the low confidential file? I mean, at least we should. I don't know why it's not showing up if it doesn't show up. Actually, no, we will see the low confidential file, no problem. I remember making that inside here. Okay, so there's the low confidential file. You don't see the high confidential file because only marketing executives can access files with high confidentiality. Open the low confidential file. Type some characters in it. then try to save it. A save as dialog box opens because you don't have permissions to write to the file. You can't create a new file either because you have only read permissions to the market folder. Click cancel. Now we're going to close all open windows and log off. I'm not going to save this. Log off and then log on as executive one. I went way over time on this than I really wanted to. I really wanted to try to figure out how to get those claims to show up in marketing one. Executive one. Let's make sure that's what it is. Yeah. Password 01. Verify that this user can open, change, and save both the low confidential and high confidential files in the marketing folder. So what we got to do is go to our file explorer and check that out. Actually, we're just going to run it. We're going to go to the run. I am so curious. I'm going to open the command prompt window and type in that who am I claims and see if I can get any claims to show up on here. See if it's supposed to or not. To my calculations, I thought we did stuff like that in 5.6. Okay, go to my desktop, and then right click, command prompt. Okay, who am I claims. Some has no claims either. Okay. Okay, so we need to verify our share. Go to run. Click on close all the open windows, log off. Verify that this user can open, change, and save both executive. Huh. Okay. Hold on just a sec. Isn't making any sense to me. Open File Explorer. Go to Networks. This PC. There it is. Jeez. Okay. Executive 1. Oh, come on. Get out of here. I'm almost done. Verify that this user can open, change. Verify that the executive user can open, change, and save both the low confidential and high confidential files in the marketing folder. Close all open windows. Okay, so I was right. I should have read just a little further. Sometimes I have a bad habit of not doing that. Run. 1, 2. Server 1. Double click on the marketing. Make sure we can open it. And then make sure we can open the low. High. Save. See it, notice it saved without the window coming up because we have permission. Okay, close that. Verify this. Yo. Save. We're good. Both of them got saved without the window popping up without permissions. So now we can close all windows, shut down 41218, and we are done. The only thing that just blows my mind is I do not understand why the claims were not showing up. I thought I configured everything correctly in the activities so it would do that. Anybody want to give me comments or replies on how you got that done? I'm more than happy to hear you out. Thank you for watching my video. You guys have a good night, and I'll see you on the next video.